Okay, Dr. Huebner, I am here with Raelyn, and Raelyn has been really nice to do a video today. I'm super excited because we don't have a lot of these types of videos on our website. A lot of our videos are about genetic hair loss and that kind of thing. So, Raelyn is 17 years old. She doesn't have any genetic hair loss. That would be very unusual at this age. So she's here because she had a surgery for a brain tumor that left her with, unfortunately, a scar kind of right where they had to operate. And fortunately, from her health standpoint, she's doing well. But from a cosmetic standpoint, this is kind of something that bothers her. And so they contacted us a couple months ago, and we did get a little bit of micropigmentation, which basically darkens the scar. It makes it look like there's little hairs coming out. And that actually helped quite a bit. But today I'm excited because we're going to actually be putting hair in these areas. So I'm just going to zoom in, Raelyn, on your scar a little bit so people can see. And you can see this is what she was left with. And this is after the micropigmentation. She had that done not even that long ago. So it was completely stark white before. But you can see she has a scar that, obviously at this age is tough, She's trying to figure life out at 17, as I was. And this is the last thing she has to have to worry about. So I cannot wait to see how this changes your life in such a positive way. I'm sure you got more things to worry about than hair. So this will be a big improvement. And I'm happy. Thank you so much again for showing your progress throughout the year. And can't wait to get this done. Are you nervous? Everyone's nervous coming in. Everyone leaves saying that was easier than I thought. So don't worry. Okay, so we'll check in a little bit later. Thanks again, Raelyn. Okay, we are here with Raelyn, and Raelyn is here at the end of the day, and we are so excited because she's done. So she had, as most people have, some pain with the initial anesthesia shots. So it was a little tough for her, but we got through it. Sometimes the scar tissue in the front makes it worse. But I want to just kind of pan up and show everyone what we have done. So you can see that there's now little tiny grafts that are plugged all the way through the scar. And amazing. So Raelyn, thank you so much again for showing everyone and again, we're going to follow up with you for your results, and I'm sure this is going to help somebody in their journey. So thanks again.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.